Hey everybody, finally got out to do a video on the bike. So I've just done 100 k's from Scone to Branxton, and I'm going to head to Newcastle, maybe Nelson's Bay, maybe up the coast a bit further, but just going to do an overnight camp. And I just thought I'd pull over and start the video. So there's the bike, all geared up and ready to go. Let's get going. Hey everybody, just in Maitland at the moment. Just thought I'd show you these flooding that's happened. It's all receded now, but this is usually all dry. Over there it's all flooded. This is the bike, all loaded up. Ready to go. So I've got to go the Lawn Patterson way because it's all flooded. Usually we could go into Newcastle and across Hexham Bridge, but I'll have to go the Lawn Patterson way, and I haven't planned the route. I'm just gonna go for a ride, and wherever I can get a camp, I'll get a camp, and if I can't get a camp, I'll book in somewhere, but I'll try and get a camp and we'll see what happens. Bike's performing very good, no complaints. The bash plate's making a little rattle noise, but I'll double check that. So yeah, I'll keep going, I'll keep showing you more. Let's go. The amount of people that stop me on these CB500X is unreal. Just pulling at traffic lights, people will say, "Oh, not a lovely bike, mate." I really like the look of it, so it's always a plus. So we're going to go, we're in Morpeth at the moment, so we're going to head to Raymond Terrace and then get on to the on the road to Nelson's Bay. Might go to Fingal Bay as well, but we'll just see how we go, see how we're travelling for time. And yeah, beautiful, perfect riding day. Alright, back to it. Main Street, next to the river. Cross this bridge for a second, have a quick look. the site for Nelson's Bay. Just pulled over for a quick break. Got some local Aussie oysters and prawns at the bottle shop. It's the Aussie bottle shop. You know we're near the coast when you start seeing the surfboards. So just in the Paul's Corner shop, picked up myself a bottle of Bunster's salami sauce. Gonna get some prawns, and that'll be lunch. Looking forward to getting to Nelson's Bay. Should be a good time. There's the bike. So I didn't make it to Nelson's Bay just yet. I seen a nice little sign saying Bite Harbour. So I've come down here. Absolutely cracking spot. This is what I'm doing it for. Coming to these beautiful spots. Unreal. People fishing over there. I might have a walk along this whale watching view, they say it is, so let's see, let's have a look. Absolutely beautiful. Bike's performing flawlessly so far, touch wood. So I'm going to do this walk quickly. Off in the distance you can see the sand dunes. Absolutely beautiful spot out here. Beautiful. Let's keep going.
Yeah, I'm used to it.
Got to be a brave person to be rock climbing, I'll tell you that. Beautiful spot for it though. Better get back there. Gonna grab some fish and chips shortly, but I'm gonna get to the campground first. And it's a bit busy in there, so it's the Bub's famous seafood, Nelson's Bay, so I'm gonna keep jumping on the bike and get camp set up and then come out and get some dinner, I suppose. Over and out. All booked in, guys. Got a camp spot right on the beach. Can't wait to see it. And I'm at the Halifax Holiday Park at Nelson's Bay. So decided to camp at a holiday park because I've just come for the scenery and the beach. So let's get to the campsite and set up, have a look at some gear. Here we are. I'm tucked into this little corner with a bike. So I've got this little pad here. There's a gate just over there to the beach. So cost $53 for the night. It's getting a bit dark and I haven't got the time to keep going. Plus I'm getting a bit hungry, so this will do. She said there's a nice club, big pub to go to. I might go grab a beer. She did write it down for me. It's called the Country Club at Shoal Bay. So, and tomorrow I can go look at the whales near Fingal Bay. So, alright, bike did well. I'll show you how many kilometers I did on it before I forget. So I've done 214k, used 7 litres. So now's the fun part of setting everything up. Then tomorrow should be a good day. I'll get some footage tonight down at the beach and let's keep going. So this is a pretty simple little small tent. Not much room in it, but it should do the job. This is the Xped air mat, and what you do here is keep pumping it up. There's a sponge in there. Put your hand over there and it pumps the mattress off, because it's insulated with down, so you don't want to breathe air in it and get all the down moist. But that should be pretty comfortable. Once I get it set up, I'll show you it all set up. So this is pretty much my bed. Got the air bed. I've got a bed sheet. I've took the bed sheet under. I've also, at the end, I've took the sleeping bag underneath. So I'm just going to use it as a top quilt, because this is down underneath, this is down on top, so plus it'll stop the bag from moving around at night. I can just flick it back and it's not going to go anywhere. So that's that. Brought a pillow as well, creature comforts. Alrighty guys, I'm going to set my chair up and go get something to eat. So that's me for the night. Move the bike back over here next to the tent. Should be pretty comfortable. I've got one of the $25 Aldi chairs. See how that goes. Don't have high hopes for it, but it's just me relaxing. So tent was easy to put up, airbed was easy to put up. Using the bags was very easy. No complaints so far. It's going good. Alright, I'm going to shoot off and get something to eat. And maybe see if we can get a beer or two. See you soon. Fish ordered the fish and chips for one. Yeah, down at Nelson Bay. Really enjoying myself. It was a good ride. Time to get some fish and chips. I was going to get some prawns, but I know of another little place to get some real fresh prawns. I'll do that. Gonna go for a little walk and have something to eat. Go for a walk. Go get a few beers and have a look around. Been many years since I've been here, so going to enjoy it. See the marlin up there? Brilliant spot. There's the bite. Here we are, guys. I've got some Kilpatrick oysters by the beautiful Nelson's Bay. Just watching the sunset. Got the baby behind me, 500X. So these are going to be an absolute treat. Just got 3 of them, and I got a serving of fish and chips. I'll show you them as well. But real good day. And I also have got some of the Bunster's salami sauce to try with the chips, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, really enjoying this, and more to come. Beautiful oysters. Should have got a lot more of them ones. Beautiful. Alright guys, enjoy yourselves. I surely am. Good fish. Nice chips. Put a bit of lemon on there. This chip's got a bit of the salami sauce. Oh yeah, quite nice. Right, I'm going to finish this up and head back and grab some beers.